Hello everybody, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube Creative Studio. Today I have video tutorial how to crochet this really cute doily with 4 hearts. The crocheting is super easy, it's perfect for beginners. There are only 5 rows. I will start with the magic ring and then continue in the closed rounds. You can use any yarn you like and make as many doilies as you want. You can use also any color you like. So guys, let's get started. I would recommend you to use 100% cotton yarn. I will use this dark pink yarn and 4mm crochet hook. You will need just tapestry needle and some scissors. So guys, let's start with the magic ring. And in the magic ring I will work double crochet stitches. I will start with chain 3. Chain 3 at the beginning counts as my first double crochet. So chain 3 and then 1 double crochet and the second one. So we have a group of 3 double crochet stitches. Perfect. 1, 2, 3 and then chain 2. This is my first group. Then repeat it. Make 3 double crochet stitches into the magic ring. 1, 2 and 3 and then chain 2. This is my second group. 2 more times. 3 double crochet stitches into the magic ring. 1, 2 and 3. Then chain 2 and the last group. 3 double crochet stitches into the magic ring and then chain 2. We will close the round with a slip stitch in the third chain from the very beginning. So I started with chain 3 and I will finish with a slip stitch in this third chain and the beginning. Tie the end, close the round, close the magic ring. Insert the hook in the third chain from the very beginning, make a slip stitch. We closed the first round. Let's start round number 2. Again I will start with chain 3 and chain 3 at the beginning is my first double crochet and then I will work in the circle. So 1, 2, 3 and then work 1 more double crochet in the top of the first stitch. So we have now 2 double crochet stitches in the third chain in the beginning. Then make a double crochet in next double crochet in the middle stitch. And then let's make 2 double crochet stitches in the third stitch from this group. 1 and 2. So now we have a group of 5 double crochet stitches and then chain 2. Now let's repeat it 3 more times. So work 2 double crochet stitches in the first double crochet from the 3 double crochet group. So 1 and 2. Then double crochet in the middle stitch and then 2 double crochets in the last stitch in the third stitch. 1 and 2. So again we have a group of 5 double crochet stitches. Now chain 2 and make 2 double crochets in the first stitch, 1 double crochet in the middle stitch and 2 double crochets in the last stitch. So we do increase in the first and in the last stitch of each group. There are 4 groups. So at the end you should have 4 groups One group consists of 5 double crochet stitches, and we always chain 2 between groups. 1 and 2 double crochets in the first stitch, 1 double crochet in the middle stitch, and 2 in the third stitch. 1 and 2. Then chain 2 and join the round with a slip stitch in the third chain from the beginning. So this is round number 2. Let's start round number 3. Again, I will do increase in the first stitch. So chain 3 and make 1 more double crochet in this first stitch. Then there are 4 double crochets, and I will make 1 double crochet in next 3 stitches and 2 double crochets in the last stitch. So 1, 2 and 3. Then chain 2. So again we have a group, and now we have 7 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Chain 2, and let's repeat it. Let's make 2 double crochets in the first and in the last stitch, and 1 double crochet in middle stitches, and there are 3 middle stitches. So 1, 2 double crochets in the first stitch, then 1 double crochet in next 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3, and 2 double crochets in the last stitch. 1 and 2. Now we have 7 double crochet stitches, which is perfect. Now chain 2 and repeat it 2 more times. Then close the round with a slip stitch placed in the third chain from the very beginning. And now I will do again increase in the first stitch. So chain 3 and 1 more double crochet in this first stitch. Now I will make 1 double crochet in next 5 stitches and increase into the last stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and 2 double crochets into the last stitch. 1 and 2. So we have a group of 9 double crochet stitches. Now chain 2 and let's repeat it. Make increase in the first and in the last stitch in the group, and 1 double crochet in the middle stitches. Okay, so I will show you one more time. 1 and 2 double crochets in the first stitch, then 1 double crochet in next 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and increase into the last stitch. So 2 double crochets in the 7th stitch. Now we have a group of 9 double crochets, chain 2 and close the round with a slip stitch. And this is it. And now let's shape the heart. I will skip first 2 double crochet stitches, and I will make 7 double crochets in the 3rd double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Perfect. Now skip one double crochet and in next one make a slip stitch. Skip one double crochet and in next let's make 7 double crochet stitches. So I made a group of 7 double crochet stitches in the 3rd stitch, and now I'm working 7 double crochet stitches in the 7th stitch. And there is a slip stitch in the middle stitch in the 5th stitch. Okay, so 7 double crochets, and I will finish this heart with a slip stitch into the last stitch. So skip one double crochet and make a slip stitch in the 9th stitch. Then 2 single crochets in chain 2 space. Look at it. It's really beautiful and cute, isn't it? Yeah. So it's small heart here. So let's repeat it. I will meet you at the end. Let's make a group of 7 double crochet stitches in the 3rd and in the 7th stitch, and slip stitches at the beginning, in the middle stitch and in the last stitch. So slip stitch into the 1st stitch, then 7 double crochet stitches in the 3rd stitch, so skip one and let's make 7 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Skip one double crochet and make a slip stitch in next stitch. So this is the middle stitch. Skip one double crochet and let's make 7 double crochet in the next stitch. And we are almost at the end. Once you finish 7 double crochet stitches, skip one double crochet and make a slip stitch into the last stitch in the 9th stitch. Easy. And then 2 single crochet stitches in chain 2 space, and you can close the round with a slip stitch in the 1st stitch, or I will show you how to invisibly join the round. I really love that style. So pull the yarn, cut the yarn and pull the yarn through the loop. You can use a sewing needle or crochet hook. Pull the yarn under the 1st slip stitch you made at the beginning, so under this V, and then go back and insert the needle in the middle of the last single crochet you created, so between the front and back loop. Pull the yarn through this V into the back side, and this is it. You can see we really nicely and invisibly join the 1st and the last stitch. And now you can hide the end or both ends, and your cute little heart doily is finished. I'm so happy how it turned out. Let me measure it. It measures 14 centimeters, which is 5.5 inch, and this shorter length is 11.5 centimeters, 4.5 inch. So this is the end of my video tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoy it and you like it. It's super easy. We made only 5 rounds and this is it. So If you like this video tutorial, please give me your thumb up and don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel. Bye for now. Bye bye.